guys, it's Casey Storm Girl here. So I forgot to update you guys. I am so sorry on this storm that we had. We had about a foot of snow, maybe more. You know, it was 8 to 10 inches, foot of snow. It's close enough, I guess. We're looking at a possible another chance of snow coming through Missouri again Friday through Saturday, but I don't think most of Missouri will get it. It's more of southern Missouri, like Springfield, Branson, Chillicothe, St. Louis, and then further south from there will get hit. Maybe Higginsville, Warrensburg definitely. So we'll keep our eyes peeled and see where the storm goes from there. So remember to like and share and always subscribe. Yeah, so have a good day and stay safe on the roads, Kansas City. Talk to you soon.